back to the Adjunct's Kitchen, where we make affordable, easy to prepare, and delicious meals for you part-time cooks and for your full-time eaters. My name's Chad Seaver. I'm really excited today because today we're going to be making a simplified twist on one of the world's most popular dishes, one of my personal favorite dishes, coconut chicken curry. The must-haves for this dish are curry paste, coconut milk, rice, sweet peppers, green onions, and extra virgin olive oil. The optionals are meat, cilantro and basil, lime, and honey. The steps to cooking this dish are to rinse and cook your rice, then prep your ingredients. Stir fry the meat and vegetables, then add the curry paste, then add the coconut milk, serve over rice. First step is to get the rice started. I'm using a rice cooker because it's crazy easy. So wash your rice for about 5 minutes before you start it. While the rice is cooking, I'm going to prep the other ingredients. So I'm going to cut the chicken into thin strips. On a different cutting board and with a clean knife, you're going to want to cut the peppers into thin strips also. For the green onions, discard the ends and then chop up the rest. You can take the cilantro and basil, give it a fine chop. Finally, quarter your lime. I like a nice wok for this dish. Turn it up to a little bit over medium-high. Add plenty of oil and bring it up to temp. Once your oil is up to temp, now's the time to add the chicken, the peppers and onions. Give it all a good stir. Keep stirring as much as possible. If you like salt and authenticity, now's the time when you would add your fish sauce or shrimp paste, but I'm not going to be adding any of that today. After about 5-6 minutes, the chicken will be cooked. Peppers will also start to be browned. Now it's time to add curry paste. Again, give it a good stir. You want the curry paste to kind of break up and activate. Right now is a good time to hit it with some lime. Then toss it around. After another minute or so, add the coconut milk. Give it a good stir. After about another minute or so, this dish is done. If you're worried about it being too spicy, for authenticity, you can add some palm sugar, or you can just add a little bit of honey. So keep stirring for another minute. Hit it with some more lime juice. Kill the heat. This dish is done. To serve and plate this dish, simply spoon the curry over a bowl of rice. Finish with another lime squeeze, and then your fresh herbs. Don't let the word curry scare you. This dish's flavor is beyond amazing. Try it once and you'll be hooked. Well, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this episode. If you have any questions or requests for other dishes, leave them in the comment section below. Like and subscribe if you like what you saw, and I'll see you on the next Adjunct's Kitchen.
Subscribe to my YouTube channel!